Kami karya SSA School Association Central Body hanya kasi kat pratarek unai tung aja apuan. Kilawan mensyong yang kibiang akrab National Secretariat bandawan nak sarkar hakabai day berkajimbang penmi yang ketulam. Naki hajar ngut kinoi kai kelami mensyong hakamat ke National Secretariat hakani kasi present jang kenhon kinoi kai SSA ba Aristotle Rimbai ulayo banyak kendu UDP walang upadai additional Chief Secretary jangka Education banyak kalian halal ketulap jang kini kai bahadu asan banai kim shim layo. Nakalian jang additional Chief Secretary ulang baka daw ka jing slaman penmi ketulap jang ki kadai namar baka klem patwan naka central government ulang.
Naka state government in pelai la kunuk kepaduna kadai sawnai. Mendai isu kum hakatokas ni kabaki kular kinon pelai arnai. Hani minta kiyong ba mariwan kani kapisa kin pelai sawnai. Balada kadap memperlait baik baro san benai. Kata kalau ka asuran ka bana kaliang jong additional chief secretary isa DP walang EI hakabaya de baka pending salary jongi. Jong ka state government kan sa constitute dia ka education commission shen. But how upnai August kin sa syong biang ka committee hakabaya de ban penja syakmat hakabay de bat constitute dia kan ka education commission. But ila turo yang ni baya kan ka agenda kapan merge lani ban crop yang ni hapo education department on one ra but ban discuss hapo jong ka education commission. Kini kilong ki outcomes ki bami na kajing kendo jongi bat the officer jongka education department temen tapat kasong hanga happy langin pediang na ya kani kajing pensengaw na kaliang jongka government yang nadong syadong handay na nakadaw kiway pat ki states ki klempat penbiang iya tu hangi bahado mentamen ni kasakut kani kabha pisa kepada banwan na ka central government sa government of Meghalaya nakabantaban siw ya kutulop jongi for the month of April, May and June. Regarding the agenda number 2, that is enhancement of salary, he informed us that the department is still examining this matter. Kidang work out ya kane ba nakaliang jongi ilayato hangi ba kung bakalong menta ka state kadon hapdeng ka financial crisis. But Maria like kani kapisa na government of India kani ka ad hoc but first installment nakaliang jong ka state government kahaban pala ya ka state share jong ka lakumno 65 to 70 crores 65 to 70 crores tiyong ba hakum kani ka kep nakaliang jong ka department kidang i work out kuno banle akabay day but ka enhancement ya ka salary jongi kinohikay SSA. Number 3, to keep more budget allocation in the state budget for Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Regarding this demand, he informed us that from his office, he have done all the needful. He have sent a proposal to the state finance department to keep more budget allocation in the state budget so that the same problems will not repeat in the future. Ilito bala de pa ya ka proposal sa ko ka state finance department bahkan penhe ya ka state bahkan penhe ya ka song pisa hapo jong ka state budget naman ta ka Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan kenang bangi kenohi kaya SSA ngin ome kendo jing kumbang ya kendo menta namar kumbang kalau menta ka state ka hapo state budget tang 10%. Henry ya itai additional amount ke baka state kahaban bon naladi ka claim tap. Dena kata daw bahado menta menni ni syam citom kumni kihaban wat pisa na kiwi ki department ban pendak ya kata ka additional amount. Most of the state across the country have not released the central share which released by the government of India last year to the state implementation society. As far as our state is concerned, he informed us that the central share released by the government of India during March 2022 the government of Meghalaya means the finance department have already released to the state implementation society, and the same has been released for payment of SSA teachers' salary in the month of April this year. Added to that, he informed us that the Ministry of Education have given a deadlines to all those states to comply with this order on or before 20th of this month. Kapapod babaro kitu ki state kibom patpalay ya kaneka central share kajongki siya ka state implementation society kajongka state kajongki bakin palay hala ni shwa ka apotrik jong mentau na July. But hadin kata nakaliang jong ka Government of India, Ministry of Finance kan sa simpat ya ka decision ban palay ya kaneka ad hoc installment, but first installment ya kitu ki states kibala biang kikot kisla katkum ki guidelines but ki provision kiba ka Ministry of Finance but ka Ministry of Education Government of India kabo but ka kwa but ki states baro hari India kedai ban pembiang ngachukwa ban pensyai hang ne kamtam hakabay day bat kaneka tulab jong jong last financial year 2021-22 kata de jong nai February and March ka failure jong do kani bangi hapan do ya kani ka tulab arbnai ngan kanda pasay baka de ka failure jong ka state finance department kade ka failure jong ka finance department but ka planning department jong ka state of Meghalaya bangi do ya kani ka tulab jong last financial year 2021-22 pikat kung kani ka PAB arajar arhuar nakaliang jong ka state government ka pa ya ka budget sa ka central government sanspa prabham nyaw crore nyaw paulak kandai hajar kadai ka total estimate ka baka pa sa po government of India ka government of India kala aya ka approval ka ong ba nakani ka sanspa prabham nyaw crore nyaw paulak kandai hajar ka central government kan aya ka central share jong ka lais pa san crore prabu saulak arpu lai hajar tingka fund kabaduna na kami kapisa bapa ka government of India nakatadaw ya kendo jinge ano ikay SSA kumne kumbalong hado menta jin bagila thap hapo state budget nginom ya kendo ya kajinge kung ang mene kitep tang ka 10% ka state share nalor kata kaya kabai sar walang ipetip syangi yung banda ka education department ngila deple ya kabadon kam henry kabasa menta kalong hapo state finance department but ila oro yang iba i commissioner secretary jong ka finance department i Dr. Vijay Kumar Imdon syane parala shipit janmiat in sawan bakin sa syong meeting biang lano bakin pelai tingin simya karay jong pre collective decision bakat bampat laban rai ke finance department ya kani kapisa ka bakibat ngin syong bay hang ni na malalalik pai si yiro ngim dane banbam dalam daw karai ka bangin pa siya ka sarkar ka balay ka collective decision jong bara kino hikaya sa se kalong bangin apay hang ni hado bandawan pai commissioner secretary jong ka finance department bangin ya syong meeting bang badaw bangin sa kay kadai ba kibatsa ya kani kasaw pausaw